We're a week away from the ROI Ninjas Bullseye Workshop, and I want to give you a little bit of extra information. If you want to develop your bullseye and you need a little bit of help, I'm going to have 7 questions for you over the next 7 days that if you answer these questions, you put the information in, put it all together, you're going to have a very good idea of what your bullseye is going to be. So, today is day 1, so here's question 1. What are you good at? And try and come up with like 5 to 10 bullet points on this. If you have problems with it, ask some friends or family members or even past customers if you have them. Make a list, save it, put it in a notebook or something. If you haven't registered for the workshop, make sure you do because it's free. However, for those who have registered, I highly recommend getting signed up for the Elite VIP experience because it's going to be an additional hour. It's going to be a very limited audience, and we're going to deep dive into your bullseye